Hi. Thank you, Miss Maninder, for joining in. I'll just introduce you. So, Miss Maninder is a resident of Mumbai and she has twins aged 4.5 years. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining in.
You're most welcome, and I really love your program because it's made my life a lot easier. Earlier, I used to struggle with a lot of flashcards and a lot of information and a lot of things. But with your program, I'm working, but I still have a lot of time to spend with the kids and, practice the right brain training. So, thank
Sure. Sure. Thank you so much. So, I just want a little bit of background. When did you start practicing right brain education with your children? How old were they?
So, I had enrolled for some classes like for kids classes, mother toddler.
Your
When
voice.
I met somebody, and then I was introduced to the right brain training by that friend. And
Okay.
I started reading online about right brain training and Dr. Shishida. And then I started with the flashcards with the kids. And then I started reading about the ESP techniques and things. And basically, they were just 9 months old. That time, I couldn't. I couldn't do a lot of things because I was not aware of them. And there were some right brain classes in Mumbai which I enrolled, but they were not training them the way it was given in the book.
Okay.
So finally, I got a book from one of my friend who's in Singapore. So I got the book and I read the book, and then I started doing it, but it was not because I was working all the time and I was not. I didn't have so much time, so I was just doing linking memory and basically flashcards training and little bit of mandala.
Okay.
But I was not very much aware about the the ESP techniques, how to do it nicely. I was not doing it or practicing it, and after I came to know about your program last year, I was really happy because you have designed it exactly the way it should be.
Okay.
Then I've started practicing it with my kids, and my daughter's become very good in ESP right now.
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's great. So, what is your schedule like? Since you are a working professional, how do you manage? What is the time during which you usually do this? The
So
RBT.
earlier we used to do it twice a week, like, and basically because of the lockdown we got like a lot of chance because I was working from home. So in the morning or in the afternoon I would sit with them for an hour and we would do, and sometimes it would go up more because they would enjoy a lot. Like sometimes they would just do mandala for some time and then they would say we want to hear the story, the linking memory thing, and then we started extending it, but they were very happy with the entire program. So now, like in the lockdown, we did it like 3 or 4 times in a week.
Okay.
Not every day, but and before lockdown, it was just twice a week.
Okay. Okay.
So now, currently, we are just doing thrice a week. Like thrice a week is like enough for them.
Okay.
Although if I would get time, I would do more, and even they enjoy a lot. Now I don't have to run behind them. They come me and they are idle. They'll say we want to do this, we want to do that.
Oh, okay, great. And you're saying 40, you usually spend like 40 minutes, around 30 to 40 minutes with the program.
Yeah, 30 to 40 minutes easily, and they sit and do it because I've been doing it since they were 9 months old. So they're very used to it. So I never had that problem of them one running here and the other one running and not sitting. And even if they were running around that time, we used to sit in a closed room, and I used to make sure there are no toys around. So I would really advise mom, whenever they are practicing right brain training, they should practice it maybe in their living room or in such, like maybe in their bedroom where there are no toys and things. And even if they're running around, they're distracted, they are hearing, they are listening, they are I mean, their senses are much more advanced than us, so they're quite aware.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you for the advice. And so the interesting part, you were telling me about such amazing things, that your children have started doing. So what are the changes you have noticed? And if you can tell me all those stories that you were telling, yeah, yeah.
So we started ESP in the lockdown, and my daughter has become very good in like her extra sensory skills have, like her intuition has really become advanced. Now
Okay.
she's being able to guess a lot of things. She's become like the Sherlock Holmes, we call her in the house. So
Okay.
if even for like an online session, for example, if our teacher has told me to hide some few flashcards in some place, she can immediately run and get those from that place, like whether it's
Okay.
inside the cupboard drawer or it's under the pillow.
Okay.
She's able to see things, and now when I give her like visualization things, and when I like tell her, okay, close your eyes and mama's gonna pass some color to you, like, and you have to tell me what color was it, and just imagine that you have a third eye and it's open, and she's been able to tell me what that third color is. Her
Okay.
after image skills have become very good.
Okay.
She's able to do that. And when we do the box activity where we hide some boxes, like a coin inside the boxes, and then I like play with 4 boxes and I ask her which box has the coin, so she's able to guess it.
Okay.
So
Wow.
that really happened in this. And my son is very good in linking memory.
Okay.
Like, he can do cards up to 100. Sometimes
Okay.
I only forget the story, but he can recollect the entire story, and sometimes he pinpoints, Mama, aap wrong bol rahe ho.
Oh, wow.
You've been doing linking memory, and now he loves to do it. So I have to every time get a new story, new things for him to do, and he's doing very well. And again, they both are very good in mandala.
Okay.
We are quite like a little bit advanced level, and when I flash it to them just for 5 seconds and I keep it, they are able to color everything nicely.
Okay.
So
Wow.
so there is a lot of progress. And even in maths, like we started with dot cards long back when they were 9 months old.
Wow.
So I was flashing and I was wondering if they are really learning and all. But now, like, even when we are eating they will start saying 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. They are doing maths on their own. Even for like 0, they're asking me if there is something beyond 0, and then I told them once, yeah, there's -1, negative, and now they recollected, okay, beyond 0 also there are numbers.
Yeah.
So they are doing very good in all these things. They've already started reading because of the English flashcards of the reading. I used to just flash and tell them, and then I just introduced them to phonics last year.
Okay.
The program that you had sent me.
Right.
And they learned a lot through phonics, and now they are able to comprehend, like, and they've started level 1 reading also. So I think everything is really helped. I can see the hard work is now paying off.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So, lastly, you've already told a lot about the program that you like. Any other thing that you would like to share, about the program, or what in particular you like?
I actually love the program because you have introduced more than what I have expected. Like, you have started with the foreign language, which I was not expecting in the current program. So besides whatever right brain training, you all are even like introducing other things like abacus and foreign language things, so that the kids can learn something new and all. So it's basically doing very well. And I also love the planning that you all do. And even the imagination thing, we used to not practice earlier. Like, and I have started practicing imagination, but I would really suggest moms that the best time to practice it for younger kids, like my kids are 4.5, but like for kids who are like 9 months old and above, is best time is because they don't remain still is in the night when they're trying to sleep. So instead of telling them a story, they can start with, now you breathe in, breathe out, relax, your body's relaxing, and you start imagining y'all are shrinking, you're going in mama's womb, all those stories that y'all have is best, and the kids really it helps them.
Yes.
So that is the only suggestion I have. And thanks a lot, Pankuri, for introducing this program. And you're doing a phenomenal job, especially for mothers who are working and everything. Sure. It's a very good program, and I would recommend it to everybody.
Sure. Thank you so much for your kind words.
Welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right.